Hi guys, and welcome back to another Christmas video. Christmas is almost here already and I wanted to get a couple more baking videos in before Christmas. So my plan for this video is to do a different kind of Santa than I did last year. I'm also going to do some trees, some wreaths, and little Christmas lights. For these style of cookies, I'm kind of going on the more like classy side rather than classic red and white and green. I'm going to be doing a lot of whites and different tones of green. I also just wanted to say, because I don't think I've mentioned it in any of my cookie videos before, that these cookies take multiple days to do. I usually do the first layer and then let them sit overnight before I do the second layer, and sometimes I even let them sit a second time before I do the final touches of a third layer. Okay, so I've had this cookie dough chilling in the fridge overnight. The recipe is kind of a big batch. This is how much it makes. It's actually a lot of cookie dough. I'll probably only use half and still have a lot of cookies, but I like making this big of a batch because this dough actually freezes really well as long as you wrap it properly. It's also really important that you let your dough come to a bit of a room temperature. You don't want it fully room temperature. You still want it kind of cold so that it's firm and easy to knead. You don't want it falling apart or melting in your hands or anything like that, but you have to be able to knead it at the same time, so you don't want it frozen or too cold. So I'm just gonna start by rolling these out and then getting them in the oven. They take about 10 to 12 minutes to bake, just depending on how big your cookie cutter is. After these cookies come out of the oven and chill a bit, I'm gonna get the first layer of royal icing on them, and then we can decorate the second layer tomorrow.